Add and manage user accounts across your Google Workspace users and shared drives. A seat refers to a Google Workspace user or a shared drive. Auto Add is enabled by default to discover and add new users in your Google Workspace account. To activate backup for all unprotected users, click Activate All. Filter the records of users according to their backup status. To view the backup summary of a user, click the user account from the list. The backup status, storage used, and last backup time will be displayed. To manage Drive, email, calendar, and contacts data of a specific user, click on the respective icons. Under User Details, view the total discovered users and their backup status. You can search for a specific user by entering the username in the Search tab. You can also download a list of all the users on your computer in CSV format. If you want to pause backup for a user or add and remove a user from the backup set, change the seat status by clicking the desired option under Backup Actions from the Users tab. To view the backup summary for specific shared drives, go to Shared Drives and click on the required drive.